Good teammates. Good flex queue games. Look at this match history, guys. Isn't this insane? Sloppy Walrus, Davi, Jordan. Sloppy Walrus, Davi, Jordan. Sloppy, Davi, Jordan. Sloppy, Davi, Jordan. In solo queue, by the way. 4 games in a row. The same teammates. What the fuck? Are you guys duo? Davi and Jordan. Okay, so you're duo. So then it makes more sense that I'm finding you both. That's crazy though. Well, sorry about the first 2 games, you know, I kind of had bad matchup. I got solo killed 2 times by Olaf and then he ran over me. Did anything special happen this game with the Warwick? This is my first kill. What about the early game trades? There's a couple moments, I think. Got a VOD review, guys. VOD review the clicks. I must improve. Good luck next games. Yes, you too. Maybe we find each other again. Will you promise if I'm in enemy team, no Gragas ban? I'll just dodge, basically. It's a waste of time. Oi. Bad. Sorry, I can't add everybody from solo queue. Nothing personal, just... My friends list would be full if I add every single person. Rugged Garen. I'm keeping this Fnatic Gragas here, by the way, in honor of Shushay. This is the Fnatic Gragas permanent that I got from this quest. By the way, if you guys haven't done this yet, play 3 games of Gragas. You will get Fnatic Gragas for free. You'll get them in your loot, right here. Also claim the Shushay Forever title. Why don't redeem it? Because I already have Fnatic Gragas. I already have every skin of Gragas. I already have Fnatic Gragas. Yeah, that's why I'm keeping this. Gotta keep it in his honor. This will be here forever now. Almost 600 LP. Should be Grandmaster soon. I think I found